Hello and welcome to the HeartZones family. In this video, we will walk you through opening your box of HeartZones hardware and getting the equipment ready for use. You will receive a box that is sealed with HeartZones tape. If your location has a central mail facility, please let them know that this will be arriving, as the addressee may be your purchasing department and not your physical education department. All of the hardware that you will need to run HeartZones Move will be in this box, with the exception of your iPad. By the time that you receive your equipment, you should have already received an email to set up and confirm your license and a link to download the HeartZones Setup Guide. As you open the box, the top layer of paper should be your packing slip. On the packing slip, you should verify that the correct purchase order number is indicated, as there could be more than one purchase order for your organization. Then you will want to look at the items that were shipped to verify that you have received the correct hardware. Once things are verified, set the packing slip aside so that you can verify the counts of the items as they are unpacked. The second layer of papers is the important information on how to set up your system. While this video will deal with the hardware, the setup guide will take you through the entire process of using the application. Your first source for any answers in this process should be to check heartzones.com/documents for answers. If you are unable to find your answers there, then please feel free to contact HeartZones directly using the contact information on the bottom of this first page. The next layer in the box will be your bands for the sensors. You should verify their counts and sizes, and then set them aside for now. They will not be needed for this video, but please be sure to check them off on your packing slip. Underneath the bands, you will see the remaining contents neatly packed for your order. These will include the bridge, your sensors, storage cases to keep everything safe, and our charging hub. We will start by removing the bridge package from the box and then unwrapping the contents. Inside, you will find the bridge and a USB charging cable. Once verified, you can check this item off of your packing slip. This should be plugged into the charging hub for a full charge prior to use. Next, you will find a package of your sensors. Please remove this package from the box and count the number of sensor packs in this group. Once the correct number is verified, you can check them off on your packing slip. Now, proceed to open an individual sensor pack. Inside, you will find the sensor that you ordered and a charging cradle. When getting the sensor ready to charge, it is very important to line up the charging contacts with the charging pins on the cradle. The pins on the cradle will be damaged and not function properly if the sensor is forced into the cradle backwards. Once you have lined up the charging pins, gently snap the sensor into the cradle. This should be plugged into the charging hub for a full charge prior to use. You will want to repeat this process for all sensors in your set. Next is the protective cases that are provided. Once verified, you can check these items off on your packing slip. Remove the cases from the box. You may arrange the interior dividers for the cases as best suits your storage needs. Lastly, you will find the USB charging hub. Once verified, you can check this item off on your packing slip. Open the USB charging hub and plug all of your hardware into it for complete charging prior to your setup. Again, your primary source for any answers in this process should be to check heartzones.com/documents. Thank you, and enjoy using the HeartZone system.